The SECUMAX EasySafe from MARTOR is our specialist for safely cutting film, bags and much more. The safety knife is suitable for both right and left-handers. The concealed blade means maximum protection for users. It has a non-sharp tape splitter. Packaged goods are also particularly well protected. When finished, keep safe. For best results, hold the strapping from above and cut at a 45-degree angle. For film, apply from above and keep the film under tension. Guide the knife head parallel to the cutting material. When finished, keep safe. To use the tape splitter, just turn the handle around and split. Again, pierce and split. With a splitting depth of 5 mm, you will not get in contact with your products. The SECUMAX EasySafe is also ideal for opening bagged goods. Use the pointed nose of the knife to pierce and cut. Here too, pierce using the knife nose and cut. Another area of application, rolls of paper and film. The material guide feeds material safely to the blade. Don't forget, never cut directly towards you. When cutting any flexible type of material, increase the tension to facilitate cutting. To open packaging, first pierce, then cut. The SECUMAX EasySafe has a cutting depth of 7 mm. The blade has 4 cutting edges and can be turned several times. Open the handle using the blade change button and fully pull out the blade holder. Open the blade cover using the blade. Important, do not touch the cutting edge. Instead, always hold the blade at its blunt side. Turn and place exactly on location lobes. Close the cover and push the holder back into the handle. Click in the change button. When the blade is worn down, insert a new one. Pull out the blade holder and remove the blade. Important, change the blade in good time and dispose of it immediately, preferably in the used blade container. As replacements, only use MARTOR blades. Place the new blade exactly on the location lobes. Replace the cover, fold everything back in and audibly click into place. To clean the knife, remove the blade and place it down safely. Tap out and blow out to remove dust and dirt. Press material guide upwards and blow out here too. reinsert the blade, close everything. You can use the EasySafe key to prevent access to the blade. Feel free to use our other media as well, for example, our safety poster. And follow the instructions in the user manual.